how to create a boho-inspired look with a messy waterfall braid and curls using Silk Oil of Morocco's professional ceramic curling wand. Step 1. Start by parting the hair down the centre and creating 2 ponytails at the back of the head. The ponytails should be secured about ear height. Step 2. Start curling the hair using Silk Oil of Morocco's professional ceramic curling wand. Before using, ensure you put on the heat-proof glove to protect yourself from burns. Then take a section of hair, place the wand underneath and wrap the hair around the wand. Hold for 4 seconds before releasing. The longer you hold, the tighter the curl. Step 3. Once all the hair is curled, release the ponytails and gently comb through using a wide tooth comb or brush. Step 4. Start at the front of one side of the head and divide the hair into 3 equal sections to start your braid. Use the simple 3-strand braiding technique and start by placing the left strand over the right one and then the right strand down the middle of the braid. Repeat placing the left strand in the middle and then pick up a new strand of hair on the right and move this piece over the centre. Release the left strand, adding a new strand from the bottom and move it over the middle strand. The trick that gives the cascading effect is dropping one section of hair at the bottom as you braid your hair every 3 times. Repeat this move and continue braiding around the back of the head to the front of the other side and secure with a hair tie. Finish by lightly pulling the braid apart to give it a more relaxed, messy look. Step 5. Complete the look by recurling the leftover hair using Silk Oil of Morocco's professional ceramic curling wand. And there you have it. A boho-inspired look with a messy waterfall braid and curls using Silk Oil of Morocco's professional ceramic curling wand.